So to replace the air filter, first off, we're going to do is take this clip off here and pop this down. There is a 30 Torex like this here. Remove that. There's a clip on the side here that needs to be removed. That can just be pulled off. And this pipe as well, that just needs to be shimmied off there. Then you just lift the air filter box up completely, flip it over. This part here is like a rubber gasket that fits back into the air pipe going to the turbo. And there's two little rubber gaskets that needs to go down on, little dowels. And obviously this part here where the 30 Torex is. There's a 20 Torex screws all the way around. I've pre-loosened them all already. And then this part just lifts up and the air filter's in there. Just pop the air filter out. This is actually a brand new air filter in here. Actually clean out this box here. It's a nearly new car, so, and there's no debris around there. Pop your new air filter down. And then in the reverse order, screw all the screws down, pop it back down, make sure it's sitting on this gasket and the two dowels here and this dowel. And that's it.